Look right over here. I am on the Hostinger checkout page. I clicked on Have a Coupon Code, entered my code, and applied it. As you can see, I saved $62 just by entering a single coupon code. Here is how you can do the exact same thing. Click the link in my video description, and it will bring you right over here. On this page, you will find the latest working coupon code for Hostinger. Simply click the copy button, and you will automatically be redirected to the official Hostinger website. Once you are here, you will see different plans available, like Premium, Business, Unlimited, and Cloud setups. You can choose whichever plan fits your needs best, no matter where you are located. Even if the available plans or prices vary slightly by region, this coupon code will always help you secure the biggest possible discount. For this demonstration, let's select the Unlimited plan. I click on Choose Plan, apply the coupon code during checkout, and the discount is instantly applied. It is really that simple. This discount works whether you pick the 12-month plan, the 24-month plan, or any other billing duration. Why should you choose Hostinger over other hosting providers? Unlike traditional hosts that still use outdated and confusing control panels, Hostinger features their custom H panel, which is clean, modern, and extremely easy to navigate. On top of that, their servers are powered by Lightspeed technology with advanced caching, ensuring your website loads blazing fast and delivers superior performance for your visitors. Another major reason to choose Hostinger is the exceptional value, high-level security, and reliability they provide. You receive enterprise-grade security with free SSL certificates, automatic backups, and strong DDoS protection without any hidden costs. Plus, with dedicated 24/7 live customer support and a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, you can set up your online project with total peace of mind. Click the link in my description to get the maximum discount.